Master the present continuous tense through role plays and conversation activities. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fun, interactive lesson to help you master the present continuous tense. This session is all about role plays and conversation activities, giving you an excellent chance to practice your speaking skills and understand the application of this tense better. Let's get started. Before we dive into our exercises, let's do a quick recap of the present continuous tense. This tense is used to express actions happening right now or around this time. For instance, I am studying English, or they are playing football. It's formed with a form of be, am, is, are, and a verb ending in ing. Now, it's time to put your acting hats on. Role-playing is a great way to practice English and learn how to use the present continuous tense in various contexts. 1. The phone call. Person A is calling person B, who is busy doing several things at the moment. Person B will use the present continuous to explain what they are doing. 2. The interview. Person A is a reporter interviewing person B, a celebrity. Person A asks questions about what person B is currently working on, requiring responses in the present continuous. 3. The cooking show. Person A is the show host and person B is a guest chef. Person B describes what they are cooking step by step, using the present continuous tense. In this section, we're going to practice through guided conversations. Here are some conversation starters. 1. A day in the life. Talk about your typical day using the present continuous tense. 2. Vacation plans. Discuss your upcoming vacation and what you are planning to do. 3. Current hobbies. Talk about a hobby or project you are currently involved in. These exercises will help you gain confidence using the present continuous tense in real-life situations. And that wraps up our fun and interactive practice session on the present continuous tense. Through role plays and conversation activities, you've got the opportunity to use this tense in various contexts. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any language skill. Keep practicing, and you'll surely master the present continuous tense in no time. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy learning!